All right, day 165 on the Appalachian Trail. Spent last night in lovely Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Got in to Newfound Gap yesterday and got a ride down to Gatlinburg and stopped by the NOC, got some stuff, and then found a place, went to Mellow Mushroom, got a calzone, and watched a football game last night, part of it. I understand it went to double overtime, but I was asleep by then. Anyway, resupplied and got a ride back up, and now I'm back on the trail. I'll go up Clingmans Dome today, the highest point on the Appalachian Trail. The last time I hiked this, I was with my buddies John and Marcia and Mrs. Greeter. We started at Clingmans Dome and went down to the Gap, Newfound Gap. It's about 8 miles, I think. So I'm going up it. Yesterday was fun. Got to the Charlie's Bunyan. And got up there. Good trail. All right, going uphill. Lordy. All right, here we go. One of my favorite stories of hiking. John and I were up here hiking this section with our wives. And we got to this section right here. It says, impaired by the invasion of hogs. So this whole section here is fenced in. Well, John and I were hiking, and the ladies got in here and they got so scared because they thought they were fencing in hogs, and we were walking where all the hogs were. And John, in his gravelly, deep voice, goes, "Now that's not right. You're fencing the hogs out." And we laughed. That was so funny. Why would they fence hogs in here? Saw my picture of the 3 bears. Well, it's 4 bears actually. Mom and 3 cubs. That's 6 I've seen so far on my Appalachian Trail adventure. Mom had a collar on. Real young looking mom. But sassy enough for me to stay away from her. All right, here we go on the trail on day 165. Stinging nettles. So I'm hiking with this guy the other day, and he's a thru-hiker, and he's apparently he's running out of money, so he's trying to get as much free stuff as he can from people, and he wanted my fuel canister. He had gotten spare food from some other people. And he was talking about the health benefits of stinging nettles. And I'm looking at him like he's crazy. Uh-oh. Gotta be careful. That's where they fence in the wild boars. I guess boars can't walk on those things. Anyway. And I'm looking at him like he's crazy. Because all I know is they sting. He goes, no, I eat them all the time. They're like a superfood. And I'm like, uh-huh. And he runs over and grabs a whole bunch of them and puts them in boiling water, adds them to his dinner, and then eats them. So some of y'all researchers can find out if he's lost his mind or if he can, or those things are really good. It would be a nice revenge, though. Look where they've cut back on the trail. Some volunteer has come in here, sells dead leaves. Thank you. But they're all nettles too. That guy could be eating all those. Somebody find out for me if you really can eat those things. Not that I'm going to. That would be a sweet revenge. After they stung me all those times, just go pick them all and eat them and have superfood. But I don't know. All right, here we go. Got a little downhill now. I remember this. You go up and down, then you pop across the road, then you have to go uphill to Clingmans, and then it's downhill with little bumps most of the way to Fontana. I'm talking storms tonight, 1,000% chance of rain. Of course, they said that the other day when I was in my last town. I even took a 0 because of it. It rained about 2 hours that afternoon. Anyway, they said it's supposed to rain this afternoon and storm tonight. I don't mind the storm tonight as long as I'm in the shelter, which I plan to be in the shelter. Once I get over Clingmans Dome, start going downhill. The last time I did that Clingmans Dome trail that's going uphill, I was northbound. I just remember how beautiful it was. You could see Fontana Lake. Well, it's kind of blue sky here, but there's fog was rolling in over the top a while ago. It would be nice to have a view from Clingmans. If I do, I'll go up on the tower and look around. Okay, here we go, 165. My hike, which is going super fast today, just came to a screeching halt because of blackberries. All right, I am on the highest point of the Appalachian Trail right now, and I just met these two super hikers once again. Where'd y'all spend the night last night? Oh, cool, cool. Well, they're rocking the trail. All right. Spiral staircase. I'm doing some work on this thing today. This is this little space needle. If you've never seen it, it goes up there. So I've had beautiful weather the last 2 days, and now here I am On top of Clingmans Dome. And you can't see diddly. That's okay. You win some, you lose some. Good morning. What a great view. All right. Here's the double something. Double trail gap shelter. Double spring gap shelter. This looks nice. Yeah, look at that double deck. Nice and tall. Some squirrels have been in there. Looks like a good place to have a little snack. All right. Here's the Siler's Bald shelter. My buddy John and I, we spent the night here back in the bubble a couple of years ago. Look at that deer just standing right there. Didn't care about me. Anyway, the screensaver on my computer, it's got John and me standing right here and eating a little dinner. It's okay, little deer. It's all right. I'm going on. Yeah, I see you. It's all good. That's pretty cool, isn't it? There's chestnut tree. Survived the blight, I hope. I was told yesterday that the chestnut trees do well until they start bearing fruit, and that's when the blight gets them. They planted near my house a bunch of this new strain of chestnut trees that they're supposed to be blight resistant. It's hard to imagine this forest down here. All those majestic trees just wiped out. All right, let's keep on hiking. All right, I've been enjoying the trail today. Right now I'm running a ridge line. I always liked running ridge lines. And it's been pretty. Saw some big old chestnut trees a while ago. It's been thundering in the distance. I hope that holds off. Oh man. Met a whole bunch of section hikers today. It's real cool. Maybe they're here for the holiday weekend and got to stay a little bit longer. A couple brothers from Ohio. They were doing like 7, 8 miles a day. Met a guy who started at Amicalola Falls 2 weeks ago, going northbound. I think he said he was going to go to Damascus. He was complaining about the trail today, how rugged and not kept. And I kept thinking how kept it was. And how the volunteers had cut back all the growth. I think he was just mad about paying $20 and not seeing anything for it. As you can see here, where it's all the leaves and the trail, you can see where somebody's come through and mowed it back. I think those are volunteers, but there you go. You hear the thunder? It just thundered. See, now it's doing it on both sides of me. I should be at the shelter in about an hour and 45 minutes. Maybe it'll hold off. All right, here we go.